So week one draws to a close for the small account Binance Futures Challenge, where I take $250 and give myself 1 month to make as much money as I can. And in the process, like I said in the first video, pull the whole thing to pieces, review it, find out what's good, bad and the ugly about the whole process. So in this video, I'm going to go through my results. I'm going to go through what I liked and disliked about the Binance platform and just pull the results to pieces and show you what I've been trading and what I've been up to. So with that, let's get on with it. So considering I'd never traded Binance Futures or crypto futures for that matter before, I was pretty happy with the results. Took the balance from $250 up to $309. That's a 23.6% increase. So quite happy with that. Compound the results, so that should allow next week's trades to be bigger in size and again take the results further still. So let's dig into the Binance Futures platform now to take a bit more detailed look at the results and the things I was trading. So I close off the trading week Saturday at lunchtime in the UK, and just to show you that I did achieve that $309 balance. There it is in the bottom right hand corner. You can see just below that minus $20 unrealized P&L. They're the positions I've still got open at that time. There's 6 of them. That's ZEC, ZIL, KNC, ENJ, NEAR and COTI. But let's now go into the ones I got in and out of last week, just to show you what sort of returns I was getting off that $250. Now if you go into your trade history tab, you'll see all the trades you've been doing. Now all mine last week were actually long trades, and that's just because of the signals that I got based on the rules. And as you can see, if I scroll through, there are all the open positions. Started to close them off. So first one was BAL, made $47 from that. NEAR, my worst one of the week, minus $26.92, and currently got another NEAR position on long, and it's still not looking that great. And then opened some other longs, closed out minus 13, minus 13. That was all part of one trade, Luna. So $26, another not so good trade. So not actually off to a great start in the week. Then I've opened some more trades. Then we've closed out KNC at just over $30 plus. Then another BAL trade, 11 just over dollars. Opened some more. Then we've got some more closed, $14, $6, $4. BNX, that cover was all one trade, and that really was pretty much it for the week, giving us a net $50 roughly, $60 profit. So I say you can dig in there and see the trades. So with the return $250, I suppose with a risk of per trade of $25, I am risking quite a bit of the portfolio on any one trade, but I know my risk return and my win-loss ratio, so I'm comfortable taking that sort of size. But as you can see, it does allow the portfolio to grow quite quickly, up 24% in 1 week, and we'll compound that, so that $25 now will become about $31 per trade and allow me to go bigger next week. So like I mentioned before, this was a new environment to me trading crypto futures, and specifically Binance Futures. So actually I was expecting it to be vastly complex and different to what I was used to, and actually pleasantly surprised once you spend the time learning the platform, which I would advise you do first. Know the ins and the outs, like the leverage, the costs, execution, that sort of thing, getting in and out the trade. Then really it is a pretty simple, straightforward platform to use. And I also like the fact that it was both mobile and PC friendly. The trades I did, execution wise, no slippage there. I wasn't waiting for a trade to be filled. I traded a good spectrum of assets there, so I was expecting a bit of slippage in the execution, but none whatsoever. Got in and out very easily. I also like the fact that there are lots of assets to trade on the Binance platform. So really a lot of positives to take away. And I suppose one last thing, looking at the list there, was actually the low costs of the trades, the funding fees, which come around because of interest rates, etc. They're there, so don't think they're scamming you taking the fee. It's because I was rolling the positions overnight. So in fact, if I compare that to CFD and spread betting providers, very cheap indeed. So all in all, a pretty positive start, but there were some things I didn't quite like, and we'll cover them off now. Now really, this is only a minor bugbear, so I didn't really have that many dislikes. The only one I could really think of was when I was trying to access the platform, because there is a lot of levels of security and different buttons and transitions through to different environments to get through to the futures area. But when you're there, I suppose the big one was it's just a little bit fiddly for me, and this might cause problems, especially for new traders to this sort of world. If you want to close out on the app, say for example on your phone, very easy, there's a nice big close button, but on the PC version you've got to sort of look around, find it. So I guess really it's about conditioning, just getting used to the platform. Really, it's not a major thing at all, it's just something I like, ease of use, consistency across the different platforms, options, PC, app, that sort of thing. But other than that, like I said, really I've enjoyed my first week of trading crypto futures on Binance. It's all been quite straightforward. So that's week 1 done. Hopefully week 2 will be just as good, and I will come back this time next week with an update for you there. And if you want to talk in the meantime about anything you've seen in this video or the first in the series which explained the whole challenge, then why not join our free Traders Club on Discord, and we can get the chat going. They're happy to answer your questions. I'll put a link in the description below. If you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss any future episodes of the challenge. Now if you did miss the first video, then you can watch it all again and learn what it's all about just here.